I love grilled cheese, but have you ever had a French onion grilled cheese? We have to give that a go. I'm melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. I chopped up a yellow sweet onion and I'm going to start frying that in the pan. Season with a little salt and pepper. So I'm going to be cooking and caramelizing these onions. It'll probably take about a half an hour for them to be nice and brown. If they start to dry out, you might want to add a tablespoon of water. They're nice and golden, so I'm going to add those to a bowl. You need to shred, like have 4 ounces of shredded Gruyère cheese. I just happened to find some shredded Gruyère cheese in a little pot at the store. So you're just going to add those to those hot onions and mix it in. Okay, add another tablespoon of butter to that pan. And some bread. Top with that onion cheese mix. And then press a topper piece right on top. We're going to be cooking this on medium heat for a couple minutes. Start melting some more butter in there. And flip that sandwich. We have ourselves a French onion grilled cheese. Legend has it that French onion soup was created by Louis XV. He was hanging out all alone in his hunting lodge, and all he could find in the kitchen was onions, butter, and champagne. He mixed that all together and came up with French onion soup. Could it be? Let's give it a try. I'm a sucker for caramelized onions, and that Gruyère cheese, so flavorful. It's an amazing grilled cheese sandwich. You gotta give it a go. Did you see that movie about that onion that turns into a spider? Shallot's Web.